Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of self-lamination with the Optiazure thermal laminating pouches. If you're looking for the best self-lamination sheets, you've come to the right place. The Optiazure thermal laminating pouches come in a generous pack of 200, each measuring 9 by 11.5 inches. Designed for standard US letter-size documents, these pouches are perfect for preserving everything from important documents to cherished photos. With a thickness of 3 mm, they offer the right balance between flexibility and durability. Using these pouches is simple. Just insert your document, feed it into your laminator, and let the machine do the rest. The rounded corners of these pouches prevent any potential snagging during the lamination process, ensuring a smooth finish every time. One of the standout features of the Optiazure pouches is their professional gloss finish. This not only enhances the visual appeal of your documents but also provides a protective barrier against moisture and wear. Whether you're using them for school projects, office presentations, or personal keepsakes, your items will look stunning and remain intact. And let's not forget the free cleaning sheet included with your purchase. This handy addition helps maintain your laminator's performance, extending its lifespan and ensuring optimal results every time you use it. These pouches are incredibly versatile. You can laminate ID cards, menus, and even children's artwork to preserve those precious memories. The possibilities are endless. Plus, they're compatible with all thermal laminating machine brands, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their laminating experience. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. Currently, the Optiazure thermal laminating pouches are available for just $19.99, providing exceptional value for a pack of 200 sheets. This means you can protect and preserve your documents without breaking the bank. So, if you're in the market for the best self-lamination sheets, look no further than the Optiazure thermal laminating pouches. They combine quality, affordability, and ease of use, making them the perfect choice for all your laminating needs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and insights. Until next time, happy laminating!